Is the Tascam Mixcast 4 the new top gaming audio interface? Hank here from Free Podcast Tools, and I have 5 reasons why I think the Mixcast 4 might be the best live stream audio interface for gamers. But first, how would you like to get a Mixcast 4 for $50 off, plus get headphones, an SD card, and this microphone that I paid $100 for free? Later in this video, I'll share with you an offer from one of my affiliates. I'm sure you've heard of the GoXLR and all sorts of devices that are used for audio when you're streaming your gaming sessions. However, I think the Mixcast 4 has a leg up on all of them, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons why. Number 1, you can route audio out of the headphone out jack on this controller. This is an Xbox Series S, works for X as well, of course, controller, and there's a little headphone output jack on there. So you could take a TRRS cable, plug it into the controller, and then plug the other end into the cell phone port on the back of the Mixcast 4. The reason why this is so helpful is, number 2, I can have this microphone plugged into channel 1 on my Mixcast 4, and since I'm using a TRRS cable into my controller, into my Mixcast 4, now the person in my chat on Xbox Live, in my party, or what have you, can hear my channel 1 microphone routed through the Mixcast 4, and it has Mix Minus built right into it. And here's a quick demonstration. I was able to connect my TRRS cable to my Xbox Series S controller and then into the TRRS cell phone mobile port on the Tascam Mixcast 4, and I can bring in my chat audio from Xbox Live into the device. Big Mike, how are you?
All righty.
Big Mike is from thesoullounge.com. You want to tell people real super quick what it is about?
Oh, the Soul Lounge is a 24/7 subscription free internet radio, and you can go to thesoullounge.com. The player at the top of the website, just hit play. You can listen all day. You can leave your browser and it'll still play, or you can go to your Google Play Store or iTunes, download the Live 365 app, search the Soul Lounge. If you're an old school guy, if you love music, R&B, soul, Motown, blues from, the 70s and 80s, which is the best eras of music. If you disagree, you weren't there.
So this was just a really quick demonstration of how I utilize the Mixcast 4 or even the RODECaster Pro. And it is a great way to bring in gaming because now I can still continue to do my voices
like this
and just have fun with it. And I can bring in another person on there. Plus I could be live streaming as long as I have a switcher that can take the HDMI out of the Xbox Series S or X and my camera at the same time, like an ATM Mini. And it's just a way to ramp up the gaming fun. So Big Mike, thank you so much for joining me on this.
Oh, this is awesome. And I each time I do one of these, I'm like everybody else listening, I'm learning as well. So, as I start to go down some of these corridors and journeys and pathways to learn how to do this stuff, I'm learning just like everybody else. So this is awesome. Thank you for letting me be a part of it.
Fantastic. But what else is really cool is on the Mixcast 4, unlike the RODECaster Pro, you have a TRRS port in the front that will take over your channel 1 on the Mixcast 4. So I can use a wired headset in the Mixcast 4 and capture my own voice in that manner while I'm talking to my team and stuff. I could be moving around. I don't have to stay fixed on this microphone. I could be moving around and animated on my live stream and have that video game feel when you're chatting with your friends through your headset microphone. That's a really cool addition on the Mixcast 4. I'm going to get to number 4 and 5 in just a second. However, I wanted to let you know, if you click the affiliate link down in the description, you can get the Tascam Mixcast 4 for $50 off right now through March 31st, 2022. Not only do you get the Mixcast 4 for $50 less than what I paid for it, if you register the device now through March 31st, 2022, if you register the device with Tascam, they're going to give you their TH-02 headphones, a 16 gigabyte SD card, and a Tascam TM70 microphone for free. I guess patience is a virtue. But back to the top 5 reasons why I think the Mixcast 4 could be the new top audio interface for live streaming gaming content. Number 4, it has a USB delay. When I first started live streaming, I was trying to play my Nintendo Switch on a live stream, and people were saying it looked like a kung fu movie. But now with the Tascam Mixcast 4, I can set a USB delay. So the USB delay is a stellar option to have on your audio interface. Of course, there's video switchers and software that can do that for you, but what a treat to have it right on board the device. And lastly, what would any gaming content be without?
Hey guys, why are you killing us so much?
You can be that annoying guy in the chat room that's using the squeaky voice. You can be that guy that is annoying the other team, and who knows, it might help you win the game. Are you curious about some of the software settings in the Mixcast 4 and what they do to your voice? Well, thanks to one community member who gave me a great idea, I'm going to go through and make a series of videos and actually show you what is happening to the voice when I make these changes. So it's not just going to be me talking about it. You're going to get to hear what effect it has on the voice right on the video. Kind of a show and tell, if you will. But to get videos like that, please subscribe to this channel. If you're getting value from what I'm doing at Free Podcast Tools, please like this video and share it out with others who you think would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.